Good morning, everyone. I am Kirtana NS from D section. Our team members are Uma Mahesh, Jagan, and Sharmila. Our topic is real-time stock prediction. Real-time stock prediction used by machine learning algorithm and live real-time stock analytics. Problem statement predicting stock price movements is crucial for informed investment decision. It means predicting stock price is the one of the important tasks in market performance and financial analysis. So we have to create one system that predicts whether a stock price will increase when the market opens by using the historical data. Next. Justification is stock price prediction are valuable for investors to make better decision by analyzing the background data or historical data. We have to predict the stock price whether it works or not by using linear regression. Linear regression is selected due to its simplicity, efficiency, and ability to interrupt uh, trends in stock market data. Linear regression is well suited for modeling linear relationships between stock prices and various predictor variables such as economic indicators, company performance metrics, and market trends. It means we consider dependent data as a target data and independent data like features. The aim is to create a linear line. It means a straightforward line. It predicts the stock price by comparing other algorithms like decision tree, KNN. It means k nearest neighbors. They are complex because we have to identify entropy and also information gain to predict the uh, decision tree. Also, it comes branches and sub branches. It is complex to predict the price. So we have to go through with linear regression. It gives same like a straightforward line that helps to predict the price, stock price. Next will continue by Sharmila.
Now I'm going to explain about the background researches. There are many ways to predict stock prices. Traditional method like ARIM, which is auto-regressive integrated moving average, is widely used for time series forecasting. It work well for time series data and advanced models like LSTM, long short-term memory, and SVM support vector machines are shown potential handling harder to use and need a lot of computing power. Linear regression is simpler, faster, and easier use for predicting trends in real time. Next, uh, data sources are Yahoo, Yahoo Finance,
Continue.
and
Hmm.
NSC. The key indicators are previous closing prices, opening prices. Feature of engineering is creating new features to improve the performance. Next, the identification key variables. The features of prediction is closing price, previous closing price, opening price, and volume of trades. The previous closing price provides a reference point for the next trading session. Opening price indicates the market's initial reaction for external factor overnight. Volume of trades reflects market activity and investor interest, which can highly influence the price of trades. These variables are chosen for strong influence on stock price movements. Next, it will be continued by Jagan.
Myself, Jagan. I'm going to explain about data collection sources where the National Stock Exchange (NSE). NSE full form is nothing but National Stock Exchange. Historical data containing open, close, high, low prices, and trade volume. Data cleaning, formatting, and preparations for an analysis. Here is the graph where we took an example where the linear algorithm selection, linear regression, simplicity and easy of interpretation, effectiveness in analysis trend in historical stock data, suitability for real-time predictions with minimal computation complexity. Next slide will continue by Umamesh.
Here is the evolution matrix. Evolution matrix is after the using the linear regression, we have to uh, explain that it's giving the values correct or not, so that we are using MEA like a mean absolute error. It is a formula which calculate the accurate values, and it's if you using this formula means it will be verifying the prediction on whether the stock prices fall matches real outcomes. And at finally we are implementation and feasibility means steps to implementation. Firstly we will take the data from the NSE like it is a pre-processors, and we'll train for the Python using the libraries like 6 and LAN. After that we'll create a real-time website with a front and back end. Back end is nothing but we're using a Flask and Django for running the models and data handling. And front end we are using a simple interfaces displays. These are the steps finally we are doing implementation. And feasibility means using linear regression is computationally efficient and practical for live prediction. Other than this, linear is useful. And the conclusion, the project prediction stock prices movement using linear regression, offering the investor efficient real-time insight based on the historical data. Further enhancing, including integrating sentimental analysis and real-time updates, and predicting multiple stocks to improve accuracy and scope. Here is our conclusion done. Thank you.
So you are going to use linear regression for prediction, right?
Yes, sir.
So did you all learn about the algorithms,
Right now
linear
we have
regression?
collected data, and just we are what is the linear regression and
Oh,
that's it.
you have just chosen those algorithms. So prepare
And
well,
okay, sir.
learn in depth of those algorithms. So and do best. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks.